We are finishing setting up our 2' by 4' grow tent so that we can move our current seedling batch into it, and the last thing that needs to go in there is the AC Infinity 6-inch inline exhaust fan kit. There is only one problem, and that is the fact that our cat, Bagel, really likes this box and is not interested in leaving it so that I can open it up. One of our other cats, Gumbo, also wanted to check it out, but she is going to jump up on the side table instead and leave the box for Bagel. As cute as she is, however, she needs to go so that we can crack this kit open and see what is in the box. If there is one thing I have been able to count on with these packages from AC Infinity, it is that everything is going to arrive undamaged with the fantastic packing job they have done with every box. This one is no exception, and by using both foam blocks and cardboard spacers, everything is held tightly in place so that it can't bang around in shipping. First up is the 25 feet of ductwork that the kit comes with, and it always makes me laugh at how far this much ducting actually compresses down to. I never end up using anywhere near all of it, but it is nice that they give you as much as you could possibly need. Next up is the box that has the charcoal filter in it, and there are also some of the accessories that come with the kit. A pair of ratcheting hangers are tucked inside of the filter, and next to it are the fabric covers that you can put around the filter to keep dust and bugs out of it. The only other thing inside of this box is the filter itself, inside of a bag that keeps any charcoal dust from getting out. In the final box, you are going to find the 6-inch exhaust fan itself, plus the rest of the accessories. There is a bag that has a pair of clamps, a couple more ratcheting hangers, and the speed controller that we will take a look at later. Then there is the long UIS cable that will connect the fan to whichever controller you end up using with it. Next up is a pair of hanging straps, the bag of mounting hardware, Velcro straps, and zip ties that will come in handy if you want to do some cable management to keep the tent uncluttered. Finally, there is the 6-inch exhaust fan itself with its nice long power cord. Once all of that is out of the box, I went ahead and broke it all down so that it would be ready to get used in the garden. The next step is to get this installed inside of the 2' by 4' grow tent, and the first thing I am going to do is use a pair of the ratcheting hangers to install the carbon filter on the left side of the tent. I was not sure which size exhaust fan to go with, but I eventually settled on the 6-inch version. Now that I am installing it into the tent, I feel that you could also go with the 4-inch version and be just fine, as the filter feels pretty big in a tent this size. I think this should fit in here fine with the light we are using though, and it will definitely be able to move enough air through the tent to keep everything cool. With the carbon filter installed, it is time to get the fan itself hung up as well with another pair of ratcheting hangers. As I get it up and into place, you can see that I am just going to friction fit the intake side of the fan directly into the charcoal filter itself. Doing this means that I do not need to use any ductwork between the two pieces, which will minimize fan noise and maximize the airflow that the fan will pump out. With the fan in place, I am going to take a minute to clean up the long ends of the ratcheting hangers, which I also did with the hangers on the charcoal filter as well, but forgot to mention it. Once those are tucked up out of the way, I am going to do the same thing with the power cord and get it plugged into the power strip that I picked up to use in these tents. After that, it is time to get the piece of ducting that I am going to use installed. In another life, I spent a decade designing air conditioning ducting systems, and one thing that I learned from that is to keep duct runs short if you want to keep airflow up. I am only using about 2 feet of the provided ductwork in here, just enough to reach from the output side of the exhaust fan and up into the top port on the tent. I am using one of the duct clamps on the fan itself. If you don't use a clamp on this end, the duct will eventually get blown off of the end of the fan, so make sure to get that clamp installed when setting all of this up. I am aiming for a really clean setup with these tents, which is why I am taking the time to keep all of the cables wrapped up and out of the way. Now that the fan and filter are both hung up, it is time to get that long UIS cable plugged into the fan and run over to the controller. Once it is plugged into the fan, I am going to run the cable up over the top of the tent supports and over towards the controller plate on the front of the tent. Once the cable is run over there, I am going to push it up and into the cable, pass through, and into the hole on the plate. For now, I am going to plug the cable into the 10-speed controller that the exhaust fan kit comes with. As per usual, this controller will stick right onto the metal plate with its built-in magnets, which is why I love these plates and controllers so much. I love how clean this setup has ended up being, and it should do a great job of keeping the temperatures in this tent under control. This video is only intended to be a quick setup and unboxing video to see what this kit comes with and what it looks like when installed inside of this 2' by 4' tent. I just ordered a new power meter and airflow speed meter as my previous ones seem to have not survived the move. I am going to come back in a follow-up video to test out how much power it pulls at all of its settings and what kind of air speeds we will see at each of the settings. I also want to show how much the airflow gets reduced by using a charcoal filter, as well as what happens when using longer pieces of ductwork. That is for the future though, and right now I am just thrilled that this fan combo is installed, and in the next video we are going to check out our complete setup inside of this tent before we start using it for seedlings. A big thank you to AC Infinity for supporting the channel, and if you want to check out their 6-inch exhaust fan kit or any of their other gear for yourself, click on the link to their website in the description or pinned comment down below, and make sure to use the discount code GEEKS at checkout to receive 10% off your entire order.